Hi guys, it's Eddie Truck Gordon. I want to thank you so much for having me come down to your dojo. It was a true pleasure and honor being able to work with you guys. I just want you guys to continue to strive for excellence. Keep working hard, and no matter what your dreams and goals are, make sure you're always working hard towards them. And with no doubt in my mind, after working with all of you guys on Saturday, that I know you will be able to accomplish them. You guys are a great bunch of students, and I'm truly honored to say I was able to work with you. Always strive for perfection now and always going forward. Eddie Truck Gordon, UFC Tough 19 Middleweight Champion, Ring of Combat Lightweight Champion, future UFC Champion. Because if you believe in yourself, everything is possible. Keep working hard. OMMA Martial Arts.